Hey guys, welcome to Drew Tutorial. If you are new here, special welcome. In this video, I will show you how to fix this site can provide a secure connection in Windows. So the first thing that we are going to do is to first open our browser. So once you open your browser right here, what we are going to do next is to go into upper right corner of the screen and then click the three dots right here and then click on settings. And then once you're now here, just click on privacy and security and then just scroll down and then look for security. So once you find it, just click on it. And then in this part for the safe browsing, if you see that the safe browsing is set to enhanced protection or standard protection, we're going to click on no protection right here. After that, click on turn off. So once it is now done, what we're going to do is to scroll down and then look for select DNS provider. Now, we're going to change it into OpenDNS right here. And then once you click on OpenDNS, what we're going to do next is to just restart our Google Chrome right here. So close it and then open it once again. So just open your browser once again. And then once you do that, that should fix your problem. So that is basically it.